Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this weekend edition, in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Sunday, November the 16th, November the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, the binary. But you are interested in this one, the Killer Sudoku. It's killer time. Killer Sudoku number 9604. And we have 2 given numbers. The 5 in this triple box of 17, it means that those 2 boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. We have a given number 7 in this triple box of 14. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Okay, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in the additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright. My first strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. Alright. So this one and that one. Let me start with this one. The total, what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Okay. Double 12 is 24. 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 7. 34 plus 7 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In this quadra box of 27, that means that these 3 boxes together should be 23. 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. 8 plus 9 plus 7. 8 plus 9 is 17. No, plus 4 plus 6. Yeah. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is the 8 and the 9. I cannot place the 8 and the 9 in the box of 8 or in the box of 6, so the 8 and 9 should be here. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. And 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 6. We need a 6 here. 896. Okay. Let me go to this big square. 17. Wait, 9 plus 8 is 17. Double 17 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. 34 plus 5 is 39. Yeah. So 45 minus 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box will be a 6. Uh, 17 plus 17 is 34. 39 plus 6, yeah. In this triple box of not the triple box, quadra box, we have here a 6. That means minus 6. These 3 boxes together should be 17. 17 plus 6 is equal to 23. Okay. Well, Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, this box of 17. Combination 9 and 8. 9 and 8. The box of 4. Combination 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. The box of 16. 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7. Well. 5, 15, 12, 7. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. Same for here, the box of 12. So the 6 could be in the box of 10. Could be in the box of 7. Well, if I place the 6 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 6 plus 4. The 4 is already used here. So can I place the 6 there? The 6 should be in the box of 7. Combination 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. Okay, so we have a 6 in this column. 6 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column 3 in only 3 places. Level 6 could be here, here, or there. Alright. Well. Let me think. Come on. 4. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between only two places level 7 goes in the box of 8. Combination 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square. The box of 5, there are 2 combinations for the box of 5, 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 here. Should be the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 and 3. 4 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, so 1. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, not only 3 places level 1 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 6. Combination 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. In the box of 12, the combination here will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. The middle column, the only 3 places level 7 goes together with the 6 as a, with the other number. So we are missing here one number. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. So we need a 2 here. 7, 2, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. The 9 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box level 4 should be there. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So the 1, 2, 3 is missing. And I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13 in this big square. So 3 should be in the box of 11. Combination 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9 then. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. Okay, so we have okay, 2 numbers left now. Wait, 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for 5. Goes in the box of 8. Combination 5 and a 3. 5 and a 3. So we have a box of 8 and a box of 6 now. One of the missing number is a 4 in this big square. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed, so the 4 should be in the box of 6. Combination 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 7. Oh, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 7. 7 and 1. Okay, 7 in this column. 7 in the column next on the last column. The only 3 places level 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. If I place the 7 here, then in the box of 8, then the combination will be 7 plus 1. And look, we have already a 1 in this column. So I cannot place the 7 here. Only place level 7 should be there then. In the box of 15, combination will be 7 plus 8. No 9. Okay. And now, need a 3. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the only 3 places level 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, I need another 3. Double 3 is not allowed, so the 3 should be in the box of 9. Combination 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be in the box of 12. Combination 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing. 2 and a 8. 2 plus 8. Well, we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Here can be an 8. 8, 8. 6. 6 and a 1. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 15. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 14. 14 is not allowed. So it should be in the box of 8. Combination 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. Okay, so the 9 and the 6 are left. Okay. 1, 1, 1. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 is already used in the box of 8. So it should be 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay, now. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in the box of 15. Combination 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Yeah. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, and 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Well. If I place the 8 here, then this would be a 5. Place a 4 here, then this, yeah. If I place a 4 here in the box of 13, then the combination will be 4 and a 9. And look. The 9 is already used in this row. So I cannot place the 4 and a 9 here. Should be the 8. Combination 8 and a 5. Here should be the 4. These 2 boxes together should be 12. So 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Plus 5 is equal to 17. Okay. So we have a 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. Second column. So the third column, the only 2 places level 8. Could be here, could be there. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, we have a 4 in this column. So can I place the 4 and a 1 here? So there should be the 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 3 and more. That box will be a 3 and this box will be a 1. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 8 and a 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 20. Plus 6 is equal to 26. I've moved the camera. Apologies. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The 2 combination for the box of 5, 2 plus 3, and 1 plus 4. The 2 and 3 is already used. So 1 and a 4 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and the 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and the 7, we have a 9 now in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 1, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. Then 2 and a 3, 7, 2 and a 6. 7, 2 and a 6, we have a 7 and a 6 here, so this box should be a 2. So the 7 and the 6 are left. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left. 6 goes in the box of 8, combination 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Okay, so we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. A 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, a 5 goes there. 8 and 3, need to wait. Oh, no, we have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 12, combination will be 9 plus 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. These 2 boxes together should be a 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus 7 is equal to 14. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. Last column, so no 2 there. 6 should be there. 5 and a 3, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 9 and 6, 9 and 6, 8, 9 and 6. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left with 1 goes in the box of 6. Combination 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 9 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. So 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 6 are missing. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 9 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 18 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.